आता तुम्ही हांगा पळयला आसतलें ही 30 जाणां आसा, थोडी बसीन बशिल्ली आसा, पूण इट इज नॉट ओनली द 30 नंबर, इट इज इन टोटल 180 नंबर. लेट मी टेल, वेन दिस मॅन is doing an excellent, good, noble cause, noble service करतो तो. It is not, as he said, money making racket or profit making business.
फॅमिली बी न्हू.
One minute. So he is doing it. We have to appreciate and we have to all out give him support. आता इतले वाईट दिसता की हितूंत आसा ती डोनाल्डाच्यो प्रतिमाच्यो शंकराची आमची भयण ना कोण, आमची आवय, आमची मावशी, आमची कोण ना बाय माशेन बिशेन. हे पळय, हे बापडेन ओलिव्हिया म्हणटे नावेलीचें. एवरीवन नोज इन नावेली हाऊ शी इज टू रोम. She used to not have anything, wear anything. Today see, look at her state, how clean she's maintained, medication. अरे 2,500 कितें पावता? तांकां वखदांक पयशे जाय, तांकां जेवपाक जाय, तांकां कपडे घालपाक जाय, ते सर्वंटांक पयशे दिवपाक जाय. Only once said and done, we said we are coming, we came here. Jyoti, I condemn what has happened today. Jyoti Desai is not worth sitting arrogant, on that chair. Very arrogant lady. She was doing as if हांगा आमकां कितें फायदो आसा म्हूण. तिका हांवें सांगलें, मॅडम डोनाल्ड आमकां फोन मारीत आसा, तुजे कडेन 52 टायम्स तो येवन गेलो. कोणाक तूं रडयता? एक पेशंटाक 2,500 पावतात काय म्हणून. ती म्हाका सांगता, आनी आसा ताजे होम्स, आनी आसा ताजे होम्स. सो एरोगंट शी वॉज, शी डिडंट नो टू टॉक. आय फील आता सीएमाक प्रमोदाक तेन्ना आमी सांगलें तेन्ना तो म्हाका विचारता डायरेक्टली हू इज ज्योती. आय टोल्ड हिम युअर डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर म्हणून. नाव आय फील दॅट सीएम ह्या हितूंतल्यान माध्यमांतल्यान सांगता, सीएम हांचेर मातशें लक्ष घाल. तुमच्या ऑफिसांत पण बसल्या पळय ते आपले सगळे करपाक लाग, तांकां असले कांयच पडून वचूना.
आमी आतां काल गेलेले ताका मेळपाक. ते आमकां कितें सांगता, ते सांगता आमकां घुस्पयता, स्कीम बंद जाली ना, डोनाल्डान हें केलें, ऑप्ट आउट केलं फ्रॉम द स्वादार ग्रे स्कीम अँड ही इज नाव गोईंग इन टू द स्टेट स्कीम. आमी ताका कितले हेल्प केले, आमी अशें करता तशें करता. आमी तेजे घरा इन्स्पेक्शन केलें तेंकां इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क म्हणून सांगलें. अशें पासून म्हटलां तिणें. तर आमी म्हणलें नॉट अप टू द मार्क जाल्यार ती आयज पासून ही आमची सगळे लेडीज आहा पळय ते काय बऱ्यो आसा. नॉट अप टू द मार्क म्हणटा तूं. सगळे लोक घुस्पयता, सगळे लोक घुस्पान सांगता. म्हणजे तेंकां कितें खबर आहा की आमकां कांयच खबर ना. म्हणलें मॅडम, आय हॅव डन रिसर्च ऑन द स्वादार ग्रे स्कीम. आय हॅव सीन द वेबसायट. The website is still functioning. The Swadhar Grey scheme is still running. There are 357 Swadhar Greys in India. Okay. गोंयांच कित्याक ना? कित्याक गोंया ना? कित्याक हेणी जे पळय इनिशिएटीव घेवपाक जाय आसलेले पळय ते घेयना. हे सुसाकात बसले थिंगासर. पण आमी कित्याक करपाचे? सगळी ती सगळी बायलो आहा पळय ती रस्त्यार आहा, सामा यूज सामा मिसयूज. सो ताका लागून आमी आनी ताणें डोनाल्डान पासून म्हटलें आमकां, बाबा तुवें कितली भुरगीं हाडले, कितले लेडीज हाडले, तांकां वर आतां आपणा कडेन जायना. तो फ्रस्ट्रेट जालो. कितले वर्सां कितले फावटी म्हणून ताणें वचून तेजे ऑफिसान बसपाचें, ज्योतीची ऑफिसान. सो ताका लागून आमी आतां कंटिन्युअसली हें करता ताका. तेणें आतां सांगलां आमकां 15 दिसांनी करता. म्हणल्यार 15 दिसां आमी कितें करपाचें? आनी सगळे लोक एश्युरन्सूच दिता. फकत आमी सांगलें तूं बरोवन दी. 15 दीस दी, आमी तुका स्टेट स्कीम हे करून येतले, अपग्रेड करून स्टेट स्कीम अपग्रेड करून तुमकां एक्स्ट्रा कितें करता. आमी तूं इतले 6 म्हयने जेन्ना पळय डोनाल्ड येतालो तुका मेळपाक, 6 म्हयने तुका आतां कळोंक ना. 6 म्हयने कळोंक ना तुका ती अपग्रेड करूंक जाय म्हणून.
आज सरकार जर 2,500 रुपयान तांकां दिसता, 2,500 रुपयान एका मनशाचे कॅर घेवपाचे जाता, अशें जायना. ह्या लोकांक इतलो पगार वाडयला कित्याक?
This is all the cause of Jyoti Desai, who is the deputy.
ती आपल्या पगाराचो दिता.
This is not the government.
कोण आपल्या पगाराचो दिना? अरे 2,500 जाता कित्याक? आज कितें हें आसा? म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या आणि तुम्ही 2,500 खरें म्हणल्यार प्रत्येकाक 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 दिवपाक जाय.
One shelter home, we are paying 8,000 rupees to that particular shelter home for each inmate for food and for stay. 8,000, and the scheme is 5,000. No
फॅमिली
problem.
तांकां दवरूंक सोदिना. आणि कोण कितें
This problem would
करता?
not have
सरकाराकडे कितें बंदोबस्त आहा?
करूंक बसले दिसत. आयज एक्चुअली हे सरकारान बसलेले जे सगळे लोक आहात न्हू, तुमकां आमचो टॅक्साचो पयसो वयता. आमी गांव कश्ट काडटा, टॅक्स पे करता, तेन्ना तुमकां खंय तरी पगार मेळटा. आणि ही आतां फाटल्यान जी बायलां आसलेली न्हू, जेन्ना इलेक्शन येता खबर आहा तुका, तेन्ना व्हीलचॅर धाडून तेंचे वोट मागून घेतात तुमी. हे लोक हेंचे वोट जाय तुमकां. आणि आयज तेंची परिस्थिती पळया कशी ती. सीएमान सुद्दां दूख काडलें. आयच्या दिसाक हांव सीएमाक एप्रिशिएट करता. आमी सदांच सरकाराच्या अगेन्स्ट उलयता, पूण आयज ज्या पद्दतीन आमी हांगासर येयले 10 मिनटां सुद्दां आमकां भायर दवरूंक ना. सगळ्यांक त्या बायलांक सुद्दां तेणी भितून घेतली, तांकां च्या पाणी दिलें कितें, आनी बऱ्यातल्या बऱ्या पद्दतीन तेणी सिच्युएशन जाणून घेतलें. हें कोणी करपाक जाय आसलें? हे कोणी करपाक जाय आसलें? ते ऑफिसरान करपाक जाय आसलें, तेणी करूंक ना. तिची भाशा डोनाल्डाकडे एरोगंट सारकी, आपण तुका हें केलां तें केलां. उपकार करतात रे आमचेर, उपकार करता, आमी तुमचेर उपकार करता मरे. तुमी कामांक कशे लागतात न्हू, कितें कितें आनी तुमचे कशे साधता न्हू तें आमकां खबर आहा. हेंचेर मरे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर जे आहात न्हू, ए ग्रेड ऑफिसर आहात, वर्सान एकदां ईडी लावपाक जाय हेंचेर, आनी हेंचे एसेट चॅक करपाक जाय. सगळ्यांचे एसेट चॅक करपाक जाय. हेंकां मत मारला हेंकां. आमी पॉलिटिशियनांक ब्लेम करता. पॉलिटिशियनांक ब्लेम करून फायदो ना. हे जे गव्हर्मेंटान ऑफिसर बसले न्हू, यांच्या खातीर आयज हे सगळे कर्मकांड येता. हे गरीबांक अंडरस्टँड करूंक शकना. गरीबांक अंडरस्टँड करूंक शकना ते कितें हे करतले रे. आयज खरेंच हांव सीएमाक एप्रिशिएट करता, तेणी आमचे आयकून घेतले, प्रॉब्लेम तेणी आपण सॉल्व करता म्हणून एश्युरन्स दिलें. सोमारा डोनाल्डाक तेणी टायम दिला, आनी तूं यो आनी कितें आहा तें आपण सगळें, आनी त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे डायरेक्टर, डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर, सेक्रेटरी सगळ्यांक आपण हाडून मिटींग घेता आनी आपण तुजे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करता म्हणून सांगला. ओके, आनी हांव आशा धरता हे प्रॉब्लेम हांगासर सॉल्व जातले आनी परत आमकां हांगासर येवचें पडचें ना.
क्लियर करपा लागून जाला कितें, इफ सच कायंड ऑफ ऑफिसर डू नॉट, विमन अँड चायल्ड तर थंयसर बसले आहात, ताका तर कन्सर्न ना विमनाची, आनी एक देड वर्स तर थंयसर रावचें पडटा, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ती शी डोंट डिजर्व टू बी सिटींग ओवर देर. शी शूड बी चेंज. दुसरो कोण हाडून तरी बसोवपाक जाय थंयसर. हो एटिट्यूडाचे लोक उपकारना थंयसर. कित्याक दोन गोष्टी अंडरस्टँड करपाक जाय आमकां. जेन्ना लोक जेन्ना रस्त्यार आसता, आमची बायलां जेन्ना रस्त्यार आसता, तांकां जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट करपाक सुद्दां 4 फावटी पुलीस चित्ता. कित्याक जेन्ना हॉस्पिटलान एडमीट केले काय न्हू, ती सारकी जाल्या उपरांत पुलीस हे मेडिकल जे आसा पळय पुलिसांक कॉल करता. पुलीस म्हणटा की पुलीस उखलपाक लागून कित्याक फाटी फुडें जाता, ते व्हरून खंय दवरतले, हे क्वेश्चन येता. जेन्ना आमचे कडेन जेन्ना पुलीस म्हणपाक लागले बाबा त्याची काळजी कोण घेतलो, फुडें व्हरपाचें काम आमी करता, पूण ते काळजी कोण करता. देन वी एश्युअर दॅट डोनाल्ड इज देर, डोनाल्ड करतलो म्हणून आमी स्ट्रीट प्रोविडंट आसा पळय त्याची काळजी घेतली म्हणून सांगता. ताज्या आदारान एक्चुअली काम कोणी करूंक जाय आसलें, सरकारान करपाक जाय आशिल्लें.
It's a shelter home for people with mental disabilities, which we are running last 7 years. Last year, the government of Goa through social welfare has declared as the best NGO. Now, all these people, out of 180 inmates, 70% are Goans. Out of ladies, 85% are Goans. So, we have been taking grant from Women and Child and Social Welfare Department. Women and Child, we have one home which has been funded last 4 years at a rate of 6.5 lakhs to 7 lakh rupees a year, with some 10% increase. 2020, there was a scheme called Swadhar Grah, which the Women and Child Department advertised, paid a few lakhs of rupees, but nobody took the scheme because the rules were very difficult and nobody was having the infrastructure. So they called us in December 2020 and we applied for the scheme. The scheme was accepted and we started a home in COVID, that is April 21. March 22, we realized that they were not giving us the money. So we complained to the Disability Commissioner, Mr. Guru Pavaskar. He issued a notice to Women and Child Director, and that matter went on for 8 months to 9 months. Whereas we ran the scheme again for the next year from 1st April 2022, because they did not tell us to stop, neither did they tell us to start. In December 22, they told us that we cannot give you the money. You convert this scheme into a state scheme, which we agreed. But when we converted to a state scheme, the secretary, Mr. Arun Kumar Mishra ji, promised, assured and wrote on the paper that this scheme will be paid 80% of what was the central government scheme. Now December 1st, 2023, they have issued an order to us for half the rate. That means for 20 ladies, they are paying us 2,500 rupees. So when I have been following up with this department, 52 Mondays I have gone to Women and Child Department for the full year, moving the file, checking the file, talking to them, making them call everybody. 8 to 9 times I have followed up with Mishra ji. He has said the money will be given to you. Now when they are giving me 6,40,000 to look after 20 ladies, that comes to 2,500 rupees, which is not acceptable. In between last year, a particular minister who was concerned about persons with disability approached the deputy director and she assured to move the file and upgrade the scheme. Today she says, I forgot to move the file. That calculation is done in 2003, what they are paying us that for the state scheme. And now we are 2023. At 2,500 rupees, why I should waste my time? Then she's saying, I will take over your homes. So I told her, you take over the homes, but the homes are on rent. They are paying us 6,000 rupees rent and we are paying 15 to 18,000 rupees rent. The evaluation of the home, this particular home is done at 43,000 rupees by the PWD department. The scheme says you have to pay us 18,000 rupees, but when we have put the paper for 18, she is paying us 6,000. So the issue is Jyoti Desai. We are accusing Jyoti Desai, the deputy director, of not cooperating with anybody in that department. Forget me. She has troubled the previous director and now she is troubling the current director. I have seen my files not signed by her. It has been signed by director and secretary, but not signed by her. Jyoti Desai. She is acting tough. Last year I told her I'll bring the person. She said bring. I got up. She said sit, and she gave me some money. Every time we cannot come on the street. I have a full-time job. I work in a company. I'm not running on the NGO. I'm living on the NGO. The same scheme for men is given by social welfare, paid advance. With respect they teach us, they treat us. You give any money, give with respect. You cannot give to April 21, 22 money in December 23 and that to half the rate. Because you forgot, your staff forgot. How are we responsible? You can't threaten me, I'll take over your homes. Take over. I am not saying don't take. You shut me down. You shut me down. I'm ready to close all the homes. 180 people I'll put on the street tomorrow morning. Let them take them. She is telling me we'll take over your homes. We will run. Run, I told her. Take for my home first. I told her for 2,500 rupees you are going to get somebody to work in your home. See the capacity and guts she got. She's telling me you are threatening me. I said I'm not threatening you. I am frustrated. I am disappointed. I am upset. These are not my concern. This is the state concern. She's saying I'm doing you a favor. I told her what favor you're doing me? By approving your file. I said cancel the file. Cancel the file. Don't accept my application and tell Goa police, tell IPHB, tell district hospital, don't recommend patients to us. We are not collecting anybody. It's all come through these departments. Give your numbers. From tomorrow I will give her number out. Director is ready to approve. She is not ready to approve. Director and she are not seeing eye to eye. People are suffering there. And this is not the first time it's happening. She's saying you are taking so much money from the government. I told her I have so many people. These are my people. For 5,000 rupees you can look after a person with mental disability. She should issue a notice to the police. Don't bring them to our home. We are not begging now. We have 240 beds. If we convert 240 beds to paid at the rate of 25,000, we can make 50-60 lakhs. Why the hell we need to die here? If we are giving a service to the people in Goa, there is a commitment. If you cannot keep the commitment, you issue me a notice now and say we are cancelling the file. How you expect all of them are taking psychiatric medicine from 6 tablets to 9 tablets to 12 tablets to 13 tablets. This is one set. I will show you another set beyond repairs. All are Goans. End of this year, there will be more than 240 Goans in my home. So, who is going to pay the bill? Okay, we appreciate the government giving us support. I'll tell where the government is giving support. Only this department is available. IPHB, GMC, District Hospital is giving us good support. We don't have any complaint. Social welfare, giving good support, no complaint. Ration, civil supplies, giving us ration, no complaint. We don't have any issue with no department. This lady is acting tough. She has told I'm doing you a favor, which she is not doing me a favor. I am doing a service. If you don't like me, tell me to get lost. I'll go. Tomorrow, just now I'll go. Just now you tell me you'll take all the 20 ladies, we will go. We'll hand over to you. She tell me go and put in this home. How will I put? How can you say you forgot? She's saying I know, but I cannot do anything. I said you cannot do. You should have told me no, I cannot do. So how will I work with 2,500 rupees? We should use that scheme is calculated in 2003. We are in 2023. Every time she comes, she turns the file. I told her stop turning the file. We'll talk point to point. You want me or you don't want me? If you don't want me, terminate me. If you want me, pay me what I'm asking, what you are supposed to give. I'm not saying 5,000 rupees you can look after a person with psych. We are saying at least give 5,000. So this cannot go on. CM has assured to look into the matter. Yesterday we made an SOS appeal to Health Minister, Women and Child Minister. We have informed Director of Social Welfare, Director of Minister of Social Welfare. We have informed everybody. Baba, this is our problem. Either you will solve it or we go. The Women and Child Minister is not aware of what Jyoti is doing. Jyoti is running the department. You all go and ask. Don't listen to what I'm saying. You go to Jyoti madam, you go to the previous director and go to the current director and see for yourself. This is not the way to run a department. And I'm not the only guy complaining. People are scared to complain. Tomorrow they will take revenge. I know. I'm ready. See, all the ministers lift my phone except the health minister. So I cannot, see, I have a job. You want me to write letters to everybody? Don't you know what is happening in the state? I robbed them and brought them to my home? There's a lady from his department. Where is that? Constituency. From his constituency, house was burnt. Police were giving a place to stay in the police station in the day and sleep in the school in the night. Till today, he's not gone to see her. What we'll say? Don't take. We will take anybody. It's a human being, and priority goes. We will take. But 2,500 rupees. I mean, where we have reached, and that too after 2 years. And you are doing me a favor and telling me that you are passing my file. Pass your file. Every director thinks they are making money, so you take my seat. I'll take your seat.